Yes, of course, you tugumiza mpora mpora Apex TV, the online TV station mwesa Uganda hamwe na ADB the entertainer. Of course, you chilling na Josey. Yes. After that song could go Emily Chikazi. So no way contacting njye you am contacting njye.
You know what, connecting njye nyonka ntakumanya mnonga. Yeah, kwa ngani manu kura music yeye ntakumanya je personally. Then you know what, connecting njye kugira ngo tukore hamwe. Yeah.
Okay. So after that collab imwe akuzina Emily Chikazi. Haro chindi chino collab ndijo?
Collab ndijo na Roms Gazma Raymond. Tukakorecha shongoro chumwe. Yeah, like that's it.
Okay. Haro zindi zishimye ku expecting kurgoa wena n'abantu abandi?
Abiyo shongoro biroho mwana bachano bantero masumo nkatu akagira mu studio.
Okay. Haro proudness around you Western Uganda think umanyobaye uwa yashireyo. Proudness umuntu kushangana na imatara. Chito chino chirebo utono chikurwa ninga ni watanje kwe matara.
Josey tinkwe matara nyonde ize ya echo chirumo abeshongo zaba Western chocho nagambira manya
achizafutira akishongoro kamwe na
nateka kwehanaka kandi chocho nanimgambira kugira ngo tukwatagana kandi tukundana nchocho zubuniyo proudness ejo manya.
Okay. So mwenu recently by the way package inde ebire. Yes. Ezo winning njiri mbere bombe trending empakezi tugambire ho zibe ziha winning nje chiha nabo kimwe cyo